Hey guys, so CTech Manufacturing just sent us this awesome roll cart. It just showed up a couple hours ago. It's all still crated up, so we're gonna dive right into tearing this thing apart. They packaged this thing to go through World War II, it looks like. So we're gonna dig into this, get it all torn open, and show you guys what's inside.
Looks green, so
That's the correct color.
let's see. You barely get the touch of it.
It's getting greener by the layer.
Boom.
Check that out. No assembly even required. Wheels on it and everything.
Yeah, that's sick.
The door opens so easy. Like,
It's like super nice. Look how thick the foam is. Like, you could drop a rotor on that and it wouldn't do anything.
honestly puts every Snap-on cart I've seen to shame.
Yeah, I do like that. It looks much better. All the rounded
Mhm.
curves instead of so blocky.
10 times better than a Snap-on.
You don't have to slide the thing, it just automatically.
Yeah.
Is it soft close? Yeah, it won't let you slam it.
I think the whole thing's powder coated too.
Well, I like how the sides, like, it's not just the sides, like, every side is open.
Mm-hmm.
This will be really good. It's a perfect camera.
It matches the logo perfectly.
Is it really close?
I mean,
really
it-
close.
To me, it looks pretty awesome, but you know,
You're colorblind.
yeah, I'm aware.
You're colorblind. We won't listen to you. Yeah, it's pretty close.
Look at the fasteners. Like,
I know.
they're perfectly slick.
Yeah, there's like no imperfections either. Like every inch is painted. They didn't just like leave the inside bare because no one would see it. Like everything's like really nice. It opens so smooth.
Wait.
And there's like zero slop in this drawer. Like none.
Yeah.
Like,
Wiggle it.
my Harbor Freight box doesn't compare. Like that's all the slop it has. It's
Yeah.
a lot for being all the way out. If you put it in a little, there's literally none. It just moves the whole thing. Oh, you can do the hip close.
The hip close. All right. I think now we gotta get some beauties of it.
all in all, huge shout out to these guys for sending us this. It's super awesome, super sturdy. Love the matting. That's probably one of my favorite parts is the matting. It's so thick. Like, for me, it's gonna come in handy. But super, super nice. Huge shout out to them for sending this out to us. Very nice, very good quality. I believe it's doggo approved as well. So don't get much better than doggo approved. So, but yep, huge shout out to them and everybody else that's helped us. Yeah.